on, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Come on, I'll even wait for you. Okay, thank you for subscribing. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you, my Nam fam. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my wig look as natural as possible. Alright, so we're going to make it look as real as possible, as natural as possible. So then you could be like, girl, what wig? Where? Wig? Where? I don't know what you're talking about. Where? You see those baby hairs? Yeah. Where? I don't see any wig. Alright. You guys got the annoying point, right? Okay, so if you want to know how I make my wig look more natural, so stick around until the full video and then you will know how. Alright guys, so now that I have my wig on, let's get to the fun part. So I'm just getting ready here, and I'm gonna be looking at the mirror because I gotta see what I'm doing. But you're gonna want to grab the hairs that you're gonna be using for your baby hairs. Alright, so you're gonna want to grab the hairs that you're gonna be using for your baby hairs and brush them out. And I'm using a lot of hair because I want it to look super realistic. And then you're gonna want to tie this right here. I'm tying this here because I don't want that hair to get on the way of this. So I'm like gonna tie it over there so it won't bother. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. I'm just gonna grab my ponytail here. And sorry if you guys hear background noise, it's my daughter. And I'm gonna tie it. And then I made this room so then when I put the glue on here, I could just move the wig forward and it gives me room to, you know, play with my hair. So for this part is where we're gonna need our rat hair comb and then our glue. So you're gonna wanna apply your gel. And I like to put a lot because, you know, like I said, I don't want that going anywhere. And start applying it just like at the border of your wig line and then your actual hairline. And then I like to also apply a little bit on bottom of the hair because I want my wig to extra stick. So like right here, I pull the wig up and let it get under. All right, so you're gonna wanna grab and just apply the gel everywhere, you guys. A bunch. I like using a bunch because it works for me. If you guys don't like to use a bunch, then don't. It's just whatever works best for you. I'm just showing you guys how I simply do it and what works for me. Also, I like it wet, so I don't wait for it to dry because it's much easier playing with it when it's wet rather than dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my hair that I have at the top here and I'm gonna start playing with it. And this is where I pull my wig forward and I start to glue it. So I brush it down and then fold. And then I go up, down into waves. And then brush the hair down. And then kind of separate. I like to separate the hairs a little bit so it could look like messy little baby hairs. They're just screwing you over. Alright, well that one is gonna dry. It's okay if it gets a little bit tacky. That's how people like it. I'm gonna apply more glue and I'm gonna start doing the hair under here. And then I just pull it down like that, you guys. I just grab the hair and just smack it down. Glue it, smack it, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And then I start separating it with my finger. Like that. And it could get really messy, but it's okay. Nothing is perfect, so it's alright. And then applying some like on my, what are these called, you guys? Please remind me because I can't think right now. But right here, you know, the Elvis thing, whatever it's called. All right. And then right here, I just like to kind of stick it on because that hair doesn't really show, so it doesn't have to be wavy. Like the top here. And just grab more glue and glue it on top of that wave up there. And then glue this down. Okay, and then right here where you see all the lace part, you guys, right there, you're gonna glue that on top of that glue. So I'm gonna grab my glue. I'm gonna get like a blob of glue, and then I'm just gonna put it all right here and put the lace down, and then just glue hairs. Push down the pink hairs that I have on top, just all on it. Super messy and like gluey and gooey, you know, like brush it on. And then I'm gonna let go of the hairs here because it's kind of pulling the lace part up, and just let it sit. Let it sit a little bit tight. Okay, and then I'm going to brush my hair under, like that, while I'm pushing it back. Okay, now that this hair is, now on this side it's a little bit tacky now. I don't like it to dry up. It kind of did, so I'm just applying more glue on there, you guys. Putting it under my lace so it could get all stuck. And then pulling my wig forward. And with the hairs that I have, start creating that baby wave. So grab the brush and push it up, push it down. Start creating those baby hairs. Push it up, down, just like that, you guys. And then I'm going to start doing the blob on that side as well. So right here, under the lace, grabbing the hair. And you don't necessarily have to do that baby hair wave effect. I just, what people do, because it's like more natural looking, I guess. I don't know, but I just know that it helps. And I'm making the wave a little bit, you know, because I guess baby hairs are wavy. I don't even know why people do that, but it's whatever. And then I don't worry about these hair. I just like honestly just put a blob and just stick it on there, like no left giving on how it looks under the ear, because it really doesn't matter. And then I just grab more of that hair in the front there and spread it out. Like anything that's left over the tackiness, I like to spread out like that. And then I brush out like hairs that are right here and make it look all wavy. Like this wig ain't going anywhere. And I just feel it is so sticky, you guys. And that's what I do. I make a mess out of it, you guys. I don't make it all perfect because it does take time and it does get messy, but it's honestly nothing that you should make a big deal of. If you're a neater person and you like, you know, making things perfect and you have time, and you don't care, you know, you want to make things perfect, then go ahead and take your time and do it neater. I'm sure you could play around with it and it's gonna look 1,000 times better. But that's just simply how I do it. And then as you can see, this lace still goes up, so I'm gonna glue that lace down and put a blob there, because that lace, I don't want that lace moving anywhere. So look, I applied the blob there, super wet, and then just put the lace down. And if you let it dry, it's going to stick and it's not gonna go anywhere. And then now I'm gonna let go of this part here, and I'm gonna brush my hair. Brush, brush, brush my hair. And then all those little baby hairs I created is a part of the wig. It's not my hair, it's the wig. So it looks like it would be my hair underneath. And I like the wigs with black hair on top because it makes it look more realistic with the black roots. It helps a lot. So now when it dries, you guys, your wig is so stuck on and it's not gonna move anywhere. Like, I don't want to kind of like ruin it, but this end kind of already glued, and it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. So, and I feel like I put my wig too forward because this lace on this side still sticks up. When I did it a little bit more back, scoop my wig back, this right here was like sticking. It was like my skin was pulling, and it's like, dude, that is my hair. It's not a wig. It's not. But you guys have an idea of how to do it now. If I were to pull, like, if I were to do my hair like, so if I were to do my hair like this, it's like, it looks natural, you know, little baby hairs right there. See the little baby hairs? It's natural. What are you talking about? It's all natural, baby. What wig? It's all natural. It's all natural. What wig, baby? Yeah, you already know. You already know. I'm just brushing my wig. Brushing my wig. If you have little bumps like this, like I do, it's because your head is way too small, so I like pull it back. Oh, okay. And then you're gonna want to move the wig a little bit forward. All right, and then so it won't, like, the lace won't show in the front. What I usually do is I grab eyeliner and I color it out so you won't tell. So you won't see the lace. Alright guys, so if you guys liked that video, give it a thumbs up if I did help you guys or if you learned something new. So thank you so much for sticking around throughout this whole video, for those of you who actually did. And thank you so much for supporting me. And until next time, you guys, don't forget to subscribe.